Let's talk about liquid volume. Okay, so liquid volume is the amount of liquid in a container. So how much liquid is in your water bottle or your glass of water at home. A liter is the standard metric unit used to measure liquid volume. A milliliter is another metric unit used to measure liquid volume. So we have two measurements we use, liter and milliliter, okay? Remember, capacity is the total amount of liquid that a container can hold. So the whole amount of liquid that a container can hold is called the capacity. 20 drops of liquid from an eyedropper is about 1 milliliter. And there is about 1 liter of liquid in the water bottle. Okay? So milliliter is going to be way less than a liter. Okay, because a liter is almost about the size of a water bottle. A milliliter is little drops of water. Okay, think about it like this. It takes 1,000 milliliters, thousands of these drops, to make 1 liter. Okay, to make 1 liter of water. To make 1 bottle of water. Okay, remember that. So let's look at these examples. Which units should you use to measure the liquid volume, liters or milliliters? If we had a big fish bowl, should we use milliliters, a little dropper, or liters, like a water bottle? Yeah, you're right. We should use liters. Okay, if we used milliliters, a dropper, that would take us forever to fill up this fish bowl. So it makes more sense to use liters because there's more water, and more water needs to be in a fish bowl. A fish bowl contains more liquid than a 1 liter water bottle. Okay? So we would fill it up faster with the liters. Now, this small glass of water, a small glass contains less liquid than a 1 liter water bottle. So, are we going to use milliliters or liters? Milliliters. Okay. We're going to use milliliters. Great job. Let's do a couple more. Which units should you use to measure the liquid volume? Liters or milliliters? We have a teacup. A teacup. Is that going to be more than a bottle of water? No, it's not. So we're going to use milliliters. Uh-oh, I spelled that wrong. Milliliters. Okay, because it contains less liquid than a 1 liter water bottle. Now this bucket of water, are we going to use liters or milliliters to measure? We're going to use liters. Good job, because why? Yes, because it contains more liquid than a 1 liter water bottle. This contains more than a water bottle. Okay, so we would get there faster if we filled it up with liters. Now let's talk about measuring liquid volume. Okay, measuring liquid volume. What is the liquid volume in each container? This we have tomato soup being poured into this container. Okay, let's see if I can get it a little closer so you can see the numbers on it a little bit better. All right, so we're going to look at this, and I don't know if you can see that, but I can, so I'll help you. Right there where the liquid stops, it says 500 milliliters. Okay, so each line down here is worth 1. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1 liter. Okay, so the liquid volume in the soup can is 500 milliliters. Now let's do the same with this coffee. Let's see how much coffee is in this coffee pot. So we poured it all out in these beakers to measure. So this one is completely full, so we have 1 liter. This one is completely full, so we have 1 liter. So that equals 2 liters. And then let's see what we have left over. So it's going to be the same. as in our soup can. This is 500 in the middle. And we're going to count these little lines. It's kind of hard to see since the liquid's black, but I'm going to help you out. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is 2 liters and 800 milliliters. Okay, I promise yours will be easier to see when you practice this. Let's go do a couple more together. All right, let's measure the volume, the liquid volume in this container. This is a little easier to see because we have blue liquid. Let's see if I can make this easier for you to see. All right, so we're going to count along these lines. We have 1, 2, 3. So we have 300 milliliters. It's going by hundreds. Okay. Now let's go to our next one. How much juice are in these? So this is completely full, so we know that's 1 liter. Then we have another full one, 1 liter. Another full one, 1 liter. So how many liters do we have completely full? 3. So we have 3 liters full. And then let's see how many milliliters it takes to fill this one up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 liters and 700 milliliters. Okay. All right, now you're going to do some on your own. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.